Hi agents. Today our topic is about getting your year started off right. I'm Ara with the M. Stagers Realty Partners Missy Stagers team. Hopefully you took a little bit of time last year to get your 2024 started. Get that marketing plan set out so you know everything you're going to do for your SOI this year. However, I'm sure some of you got really busy, so here are a few suggestions. This is a great time of year to send out a New Year's letter. Tell your clients what happened with you or happened with your team this past year. Gives them a little bit of personal insight on you. You can also send out a message to your clients about real estate reviews. This is the time of year that your clients are reaching out to their trusted advisors, and you should be one of those trusted advisors. So that's a great opportunity to talk to people about what their home values are this time of year. If those don't work for you, then send out some tips. We are in Texas, so you know it's getting ready to get cold. So send out those tips to remind people things to get ready in their houses, get their pipes wrapped, get all those things taken care of outside, when those freezing days are going to be coming, where to buy those plant covers, stuff like that. So this is a great time of year for you to reach out to your people, talk to them about things that really may or may not have anything to do with real estate, but will put you in their mind right before that listing season. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 210-305-5665. I'm Ara with the Missy Stagers team here at M. Stagers Realty Partners, and we're always here to help.